Which one is bigger? Ant, elephant, butterfly. Elephant. Which one can fly? Fish, bird, dog. Bird. Which one is round? Ball, book, pencil. Ball. Which one gives us light at night? Sun, cloud, moon. Moon. What do we wear on our feet? Hat, shoes, gloves. Shoes. Which one lives in water? Frog, bird, cat. Frog. Which one can we eat? Shoe, chair, apple. Apple. Which one has wheels? Car, fish, tree. Car. Which one do we use to write? Comb, spoon, pencil. Pencil. Which one can we drink? Sand, water, paper. Water. Which one is cold? Ice, fire, sun. Ice. Which one has a tail? Hat, cat, ball. Cat. Which one do we use to brush our teeth? Toothbrush, spoon, comb. Toothbrush. Which one grows on a tree? Ball, cup, banana. Banana. Which one can swim? Cat, fish, bird. Fish. Which one do we use when it rains? Umbrella, sunglasses, cap. Umbrella. Which one can bark? Bird, cat, dog. Dog. Which one can we read? Book, clock, plate. Book. Which one helps us see? Nose, ear, eyes. Which one do we wear on our head? Shoe, hat, gloves. Hat. Which one gives milk? Cow, dog, fish. Cow. What color is a lemon? Blue, yellow, red. Yellow. Which one do we use to call someone? Phone, book, tree. Phone. Which one can fly at night? Duck, frog, bat. Bat. Which one has numbers on it? Clock, flower, airplane. Clock. Which one is soft? Pillow, stone, chair. Pillow. Which one lives in the jungle? Mouse, hen, lion. Lion. Which one do we ride? Car, bag, watch. Car. Which one has wings? Giraffe, snake, butterfly. Butterfly. Which one do we open with a key? Table, door, mirror. Door. Which one makes honey? Caterpillar. B. Crocodile. B. Which one is used for writing on paper? Glass. Pen. Key. Pen. Which one do we use to play music? Drum. Balloon. Cake. Drum. Which one can jump? Turtle. Duck. Frog. Frog. Which one grows in the garden? Egg. Flower. Penguin. Flower. Which one do we use to paint? Brush. Spoon. Fork. Brush. Which one has a long neck? Horse. Zebra. Giraffe. Giraffe. Which one can float on water? Car. Boat. Airplane. Boat. Which one is used to carry school things? Bag. Box. Plate. Bag. Which one do we see in the sky at night? Sun. Star. Cloud. Star. Which one grows under the ground? Carrot. Apple. Banana. Carrot. Which one lives in the ocean? Elephant. Shark. Kangaroo. Shark. Which one has a shell? Turtle. Bird. Dolphin. Turtle. Which one helps you see your face? Door. Chair. Mirror. Mirror. Which one keeps your head warm? Hat. Shoe. Gloves. Hat. Which one is used to carry water? Bucket, pillow, book. Bucket. Which one lives on a farm? Lion, tiger, pig. Pig. Which one can you draw with? Spoon, crayon, fork. Crayon. Which one can hop? Rabbit, mouse, eagle. Rabbit. Which one is used to bake a cake? Basket, bed, oven. Oven.